Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you downgrade Windows 11 to 10 without losing data and programs. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now, Microsoft allow you to roll back to Windows 10 within 10 days of upgrading to Windows 11 without losing data. Premises is that you do not need to delete the Windows.old file under the operating system drive. So first of all, you want to click on the Windows Start button on your Windows 11 taskbar, then select the gear icon or the settings. Next field, you want to scroll down a bit and go to the Windows Update and click on the option of Go Back and click on Go Back just next to it. Once you've then selected it, so you'll be able to see this sort of pop-up menu where you need to go ahead and click on for another reason or just give a reason for going back and click on the next button. You'll be asked whether you want to install the latest update to fix the problem if you're having, so click on No Thanks. And moving on, what you have to do is you just want to simply go ahead and take 1 minute. You just have to make sure to read this and click on the next button. Finally, on the thank you for trying Windows 11 page, click go back to Windows 10 where your computer will restart and start rolling back to the Windows 10. Once you've actually done it, so it's going to restart or restore your previous version of the Windows, all that. And then what you have to do is to go back Windows 10 after 10 days of upgrade. You need to back up Windows 10 before upgrading. So download and install, and then you need to install or download some soft cloner on your Windows 10 computer. Then open the software tool and follow the steps. First of all, install it and select the volume backup options, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and select the start button to lower right corner of the screen as well. Once you've done it, so you could see the backup processing. Now create a WinP portable disk. Before upgrading to Windows 11, you should also create a WinP portable disk on your current Windows 10, which you'll need to use to roll back on Windows 10 after upgrading. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.